Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by weighing and measuring so your base is precise. Pour 70-95% Perfumer's alcohol into a clean, graduated cylinder. Add carrier oil only if you're making an oil-based concentrate. Otherwise, keep alcohol dominant for longevity. Next, choose 15-30% total fragrance concentration, depending on desired strength. Once done, set up amber glass bottles and label them. Make sure to work in a ventilated area, and use pipettes for every oil to prevent contamination and ensure repeatable results. You now build the fragrance pyramid. Combine top, middle, and base notes at about 30-50-20 ratio in a small test vial. Add fixatives at 0.52% to anchor volatile top notes and prolong wear. Once mixed into alcohol, cap and macerate for 48-72 hours at room temperature, shaking daily to integrate molecules. If you want a richer, more rounded perfume, extend maceration to several weeks. Make sure to record every proportion so you can reproduce or tweak the formula later. You finish by filtering the macerated blend into an amber bottle to remove particulates, then label with batch and date. Age the perfume for 2-8 weeks in a cool, dark place so the top and base notes harmonize properly. When you're ready, sample on skin and evaluate longevity. If the scent still feels sharp, add 0.51% glycerin or a touch more base note to soften it. If projection is weak, raise fragrance concentration by 5 to 10%. Troubleshooting tip: if separation occurs, gently remix and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.